Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, March 13th, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the Forex economic calendar today. As you can see, there are plenty of the different market releases. Let me just switch to the most important ones. The most important ones are GDP from the UK. The GDP from the UK had been published already, and it was in line with the expectations, 0.2%, which is slightly better than the previous reading of minus 0.1%. The crude oil inventories from the US are scheduled for release at 3:30. So this is another very important event for today. Let me just switch to the medium important event for today. So together with the GDP data, we got the manufacturing production, industrial production, trade balance. As you can see, this is a mixed bag of the data. At 9 o'clock, we got the European Central Bank non-monetary policy meeting, and the supervisory board member Jochnik will give a speech as well. At 11 o'clock, industrial production data from the Eurozone are scheduled for release. Then we have the German 10-year Bund action, 11:30. 1 p.m. Monthly GDP tracker from the UK. Then, of course, the crude oil inventories scheduled for release at 3:30. And this is it for today in form of the data. So there's plenty of the data from the UK, so we will definitely switch to the British pound soon. The technical part, we will start from the euro dollar. As you can see on the euro dollar chart, we got the ABC movement to the upside. Length of the wave A is equal to the length of the wave C, and now we got the deterioration after the bearish engulfing pattern has been made just below the key supply zone. We passed below the 50 periods moving average. We are approaching the lower channel line and 100 periods moving average on the 4-hour chart. If this level is violated, then we should see the demand zone test. The demand zone is located between 1.0795, 1.0809. And these levels here, 1.0945 and 1.0932, will act now as the technical resistance. So this is the intraday technical resistance for the bulls. It looks like we want to go lower. We got the push down, pull back, push down, pull back, pull down. So it looks like the bears are temporarily in charge of the market after the ABC correction has been done. The cable, or the British pound to American dollar 4-hour chart, is looking bearish as well. We broke below the key technical support at 1.2773, 1.2795. We talked about this situation yesterday. So we got a breakout with the new low located at 1.2745. After the pullback is done, the market should move even lower towards 1.2708, 1.2691 level. Please notice the fact that at the level of 1.2719 there is 100 period moving average on a 4-hour chart. Momentum decreased sharply, reversed sharply from the extremely overbought market conditions on a 4-hour chart. We moved below the level of 50. Now after the data, there is some kind of a spike to the upside. Nevertheless, this spike should be very short-lived, and we should resume the down movement towards the technical support. Because of the crude oil data, let's take a look at the crude oil 4-hour chart. As you can see, this is the chart where the main technical resistance is located at 80.84. So this is the technical level here. Market tried to move above this level many times in the past, as you can see here, but so far no avail. So this market movement here, it looks most likely horizontal, slightly bullish. Nevertheless, in the background we have the down trend whatsoever. So the outlook remains bearish. We got a short-term trend line, let's say here. So this short-term trend line is still valuable for the traders, because it shows you that the market is below 150 periods moving average, is below the key technical resistance, is below the short-term trend line resistance as well. The next target for the bears is located at 75.84, so this is the technical support, and the next level here is very, very close because it's 75.54. So if we get here, please watch the reaction of the market participants on this movement to the downside. The momentum is negative already. The bulls are having trouble to break above the level of 50, which means that the bears have the control over the market. They will push the market lower soon. Intraday wise, there is some kind of a intraday trend line here, so any breakout lower would likely expose the level of 76 or 75.84 to the test. And last but not least for today is of course the Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is breaking again towards the highs. As you can see, we got our next target for bulls. This is a round number of $75,000. This is the next target for the bulls. After yesterday's pullback from the new all-time high 73,110, we got this dip lower. Nevertheless, we can label it again as the pin bar. So all of the dips are being bought back up, like here, like here, like here, here, and here. Bulls are in charge of this market. The market is trending. The next target is $75,000. There is no indication that this market is about to complete the uptrend or terminate the uptrend. Nothing like this is happening here on the Bitcoin. Momentum is strong, momentum is positive. It keeps trading around the level of 70, so it's not that strong as it used to be. Nevertheless, with the trending market, this momentum can stay positive for an extended period of time, and that would of course means that the situation is very, very good for the bulls, as they are pushing their prices higher and higher day by day. The market keeps oscillating around the 50 periods moving average. Of course, 100 periods moving average on a 4-hour chart is far away from the price, which means that the market still maintains the bullish outlook. Nothing changes here since yesterday. The outlook is still bullish, and another targets should be hit very, very soon. $75,000 next. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.